สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! The weather is starting to be hot again, so you might want to know how to make a fresh and yummy pineapple ice cream recipe at home. This is what you will learn in today's video, as I will show you the delicious pineapple ice cream dessert. Homemade pineapple ice cream! Simple and quick with only 2 ingredients, pineapple and coconut milk. I could only find small ones, so I need 2 for this recipe. But if you can find a bigger one, 1 pineapple is enough. We are going to cut the pineapples. There are many different ways to cut them. Maybe I could make a video about that. Let me know if that would interest you. But today, I will show you only 1 pineapple cutting method. First, you are going to cut to remove the head or the green stem. Then, cut the bottom. Now it can stand, so we can easily cut it into 4 parts. Start by cutting it straight down to the middle, then lay it down and cut it one more time. Next, we are going to remove the pineapple skin. Very carefully because it's very thick and the pineapples are a little slippery, so be really careful. Take your time, no need to rush. Safety first. We will start cutting the pineapple skin from the top down to the bottom. 1 cut at a time. As you can see, we still have quite a lot of pineapple eyes all over. So, we need to cut it off because this is very hard and tough to eat, even if we blend it. What I like to do is hold it as tight as possible, and it's easy to make a few cuts. This part needs some patience more than the previous step. And don't worry if you break it. Anyway, we will blend it right. You can cut the core of the pineapple if you like. But since we are going to blend it, I will just leave it as is to let my old blender work a bit. So, let's cut it into slices and do the same to the rest of our pineapple. Transfer it into a bowl and bring it to the freezer. We will leave it there for 2 to 3 hours. Actually, I use 2 to 3 chunks of pineapple to cut them into small pieces. I will make it a garnish to put on top of the pineapple ice cream later on. For these little pieces, we will leave them in the fridge until we use them. Now, our pineapple should be frozen enough. So, let's season the coconut milk to have a better flavor. We will add coconut milk into a pot. Then, follow with some sugar to balance the taste because my pineapple are quite sour. Talking about that, taste your pineapple first to know if it needs some sugar or not. It's important to know before, so you can adjust accordingly. After that, we are going to mix some corn flour with water. Mix. Then pour it into the coconut milk and immediately stir until all is mixed and the sauce becomes thickened. Once the coconut milk is smooth and thick like this, we will let it totally cool down for a few minutes. Okay guys, now we've got the frozen pineapples, we've got the coconut milk, so we are ready to start making our pineapple ice cream now. Let's put our frozen pineapple in our blender. Today, I'm going to torture my blender. It's only 600 watts, so if mine can do it, your blender can do it too. After that, you will add the previously made coconut milk, pour every single drop in. This smell reminds me of a cocktail. Can you guess which one? Pina colada! So, actually, we are making pina colada ice cream mocktail version. But you can even go with an adult version if you want by adding white rum. Back to the blender, let's blend it. If like me, you have a weak one, you might have to mix it a few times. But it's okay. Let's just let our blender work. Also, don't forget to use a spatula to scrape down the sides while mixing. It might take a bit of time for me. Hopefully, you have a more powerful blender than mine. If so, that should be pretty straightforward. By the way, if you like ice creams, I do have another recipe. ไอติมกะทิ or coconut milk ice cream. It's also very fresh and creamy. You will probably like it. Now let's blend until we get a smooth texture. This is about the texture we want to have. It looks and smells so yummy. I really wanted to start eating it right away. But I told myself, wait, Nin, the ice cream sure will be better. So, let's transfer this yummy pineapple into a box or a loaf pan. Use a spatula to make the ice cream look pretty and sprinkle a few chunks of fresh pineapple on top. After that, let's put the pineapple ice cream in the freezer for about 4 hours to chill. And now, we have our pineapple ice cream ready to enjoy. Yay! How would you rate it? As you might know, I'm not a huge fan of dessert myself, but ice cream is an exception. This pineapple ice cream is really fresh, sweet, sour, and creamy. I also love panna cotta. You can check my recipe too. If you would like to see more Thai desserts, make sure you go check this playlist. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet for more yummy recipes and give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you on Thursday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย